What we have here is a woodpecker defending its nest, which it built, and then the starlings occupied it for a while. Now the woodpecker has returned and wants it back. So there is a squadron of starlings, if that's what they could be called, wishing to evict the woodpecker again. Of course, the woodpecker is right to defend its own territory, as in Florida, you do have that homestead, I guess you could say, defensive posture. So if the woodpecker took out a gun and shot the starling, that would be well within the law. But they're going at it beak by beak and blow by blow. And I think this will keep on going for quite a while, even though the woodpecker, in the end, this morning, has won back his rights for the home that he built, regardless of the starlings, which would like to take it back and use it as their own. As evidenced here, a little fight ensues, going down to the ground while the starling looks on, but eventually the woodpecker prevails and comes back to his well-deserved abode in the palm tree and checks around to make sure that nobody else is going to get in his way. And so it goes on, woodpecker against starling, checking to make sure things are safe inside. Let's see, do I have my go bag? Better check. No. Do I have my provisions? Let's take a look. Got to make sure nobody's sneaking up behind me. You know those starlings, they can be sneaky little fucks. They stole it once, I'm not letting them get a hold of it again. Because I built this home. This place is mine. And I will not let it go again. Oh, here he comes again. See? You never know.